Okay, so quick, simple fix. If you have a 2007 Nissan Xterra off-road with a manual transmission and you go to start the car and it won't start, but your battery's still good, real simple issue. A small plug that engages a switch on your clutch pedal has failed or disintegrated. I'll show you that here in a second. Okay, so this is the piece that's actually failed. It's a simple flat plug with a stem on it. The stem slides through a hole, and that then engages when you press the pedal a switch, which then allows you to actually turn the vehicle on. Now, a way to bypass this process is pretty straightforward. You go to a way to bypass this is to simply push the clutch start button, which is on the left-hand side on the driver's in the driver's compartment, as you can see here, right down here. You just push that button, and then the vehicle will start. But you really need it so that it'll start each time without having to use this. This is actually used for when you're in a bad situation. You start the vehicle on an incline, and you really don't want to push the clutch in, so you won't go backwards. And that's for off-road use, essentially. The location of the actual switch is right up here, and as you can see, as I have that, there's the switch, and you see the hole right there in the actual clutch lever plate, the brown dot up there. So that's where the new piece goes in. I'll show you that here in a second. This is the part that you need to order. It's right there. As you can see, this is a 2007. And you'll have to special order this. They don't carry this in stock, and you can't really find a good replacement like at the hardware store. Now, one of the things you could do is throw a screw into that hole, and that would engage it. What I worry about is them actually breaking the switch, because I think it's designed to have kind of a rubber stopper that actually engages it. So there might be a way to put something else there. Right now I actually have a temporary adhesive pad in place, which I'm sure will come off, or it will get a hole blown through it pretty quick, because the hole actually covers right where the switch is. So that said, I'll show you how to put this in. Okay, so right there you can see the plate and the switch. The switch is underneath right there. You can see it as plain as day. And the hole now, without a brown spot, looks like a black hole, because I took the little pad that I had off of there. And this is the little guy that's going to slide right in from the other side in to that little slot. And fixed. It's that simple. Now the car will start when you push the clutch.